Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone Bluetooth setting. Guys in the video friends I will show you guys how can you unpair guys your Bluetooth headphone to your phone. Guys you have paired any Bluetooth device and guys you want to unpair this device. So friends how can you unpair in this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon like my video. So and first of all we will on our phone setting to unpair guys Bluetooth headphone. After on phone setting guys scroll guys you can see more connection setting friends tap here. Friends, you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys tap here. Friends, you can see guys we have paired guys this Petron BT headphone guys. Sorry friends because of sound I paused the video guys. Now continue. So friends, you want to unpair this headphone. So then how can you unpair? Guys, right side is icon guys tap here. Guys, you can see forgot option guys tap here to unpair. The guys your Bluetooth headphone will unpair to your phone guys. You cannot use guys. You can see. So you want to use guys, you will have to pair again guys. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth headphone to your phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.